Welcome back, Buffalo Besties. Buffalo Besties presents Mitchel Goes Bowling by Hallie Durand, illustrated by Tony Fusil. Mitchel always knocked things down. That's just how he rolled. He even tried to knock down his dad. Slam! But one Saturday, when Mitchel was doing his thing, his dad caught him and put him in the car. Mitchel didn't know where they were going, but when they got there, he felt right at home. There were lots of brightly colored balls, a good pizza smell, and giant crashing noises. Mitchel got special shoes, too. "Lane 4, the man said. "That's how old I am," said Mitchel. Then he got to type in his name. Mitchel picked the biggest ball. He threw it. "That's called the gutter," his dad said. Mitchel didn't like the gutter. He was curious about where his ball had gone until it popped right out at him. "You get to go again," said his dad. Mitchel rolled and knocked 2 down. "Battle on!" said Mitchel. He just knew he was going to win. Then it was his father's turn. He backed all the way up, swooshed toward the line, and did a little kick with his leg. "Strike!" said his dad. All the pins had gone down, and his dad got an X. "Oh," said Mitchel. On Mitchel's second turn, he did the leg kick too. But the ball only went a little, so Mitchel ran after it. The lane was slippery. That's when the people next door asked for a new lane. On his next turn, Mitchel tried kicking his other leg. 3, said his dad. "Nice." Mitchel's dad got another X and did a steaming hot potato dance. It was his turn again, and Mitchel got a whole side down. He did a double steaming hot potato dance. Then he knocked another pin down. But he was pretty sure he was still losing. Mitchel's dad put his hands over the blowing machine. He rolled and got another X. So, on Mitchel's turn, he dried his hands, his face, and his hair, then stuck his fingers in the holes and did the leg kick. He only knocked 3 down. "Fine," said Mitchel. He really wanted an X. He didn't get any on the next few frames. Mitchel really wanted to win, so when he picked up his next ball, he yelled. "Ah!" He threw. He prayed. Nothing. "I'm going home," Mitchel said. And that's when Mitchel's dad said, "Hey, want to be on the same team?" Mitchel thought for a second. With his dad, he couldn't lose. He wanted an X. He wanted to win. "Deal," said Mitchel. Mitchel and his dad dried their hands, picked up the ball, swung their arms all the way back, and they did a little kick. Plunk! That ball went sailing right down the middle, and they did a triple steaming hot potato dance with salsa. Then Mitchel looked his dad right in the eyeballs and said, "Battle on!" And that's just what they did. The end. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. And every day is a good day to cozy up with a good book. See you next time.